Hey guys, I know that a lot of you want to know how to use your report, jewelry usage report. And so I'm going to show you really quickly. Sorry, that was really hard to say. But first, we need to go back and look up people who, or what the SKU number is for the items that are that we're looking for, like the signature items. Okay, so I want to go to field interface and then I'm going to click on this wait list. Okay, and so here on the wait list, it's going to have everything that we've basically ever had. This is discontinued. Okay, so I'm going to type in the word signature. Okay, so now I see all of these signature bracelets and I see when they were discontinued. So I know for me at Park Lane, I was not here in 1918, so which place, when you were here. And so obviously I don't have to have all of these SKUs. So I'm going to start. I was actually most curious about the people who bought the unicorn. So I'm actually going to type in unicorn baby signature bracelet. Okay, this was a big seller for many of us. So I'm going to copy that item number right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here to reports, scroll down. I'm going to click where it says, well, where's it at? My reports. Hold on, let's go back to my dashboard real quick. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. Well, that's weird. It's weird because I wasn't looking in the right place. You guys were probably all yelling at me over there. Okay. So now I looked and I see that I sold 10 or 6 of those. Okay. So if I'm trying to sell 10 sets of the new Nightfall plus a pair of earrings to go with it, I have this, and it makes it super simple for me to just go down here and I'm going to be able to see all of the people who purchased it. Okay. So you can also go back and, like I could download those people. Sorry, click back on my jewelry usage. I can download all those people. I don't really need to, but I could export selected. Select them all first. Export selected. It's going to download and then I just have their contact information, easy to access, right? And then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to search for some other signature bracelets that I have sold. So if you're wanting to do that, that's how you can find who has purchased certain items from you. Hope this is helpful.